Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Marvel intro on Capcut. First, open Capcut and create a new project. You will want to set your aspect ratio to 16:9 for standard video. Next, import all your essential assets, including the Marvel logo, any background footage, and the iconic sound effects. Organize these files in your media library for easy access throughout the editing process. This foundational setup is crucial for a smooth workflow. Now let's add the signature text. Choose a bold font and type out your desired words. Use keyframes to animate the text, making it appear with a quick zoom and fade, mimicking the original. Experiment with Capcut's text effects, such as glow or shadow, to give it that cinematic feel. Precise timing of these animations, often lasting just a few seconds, is key to achieving a powerful visual impact. Next, incorporate your background visuals. These could be quick cuts of various scenes or a single, impactful image. Use fast-paced transitions, like a quick flash or a subtle blur, between different visual elements to maintain energy. Each clip should be very short, often less than 1 second, to create that rapid-fire montage effect. Adjusting clip durations precisely ensures a professional and engaging flow. Finally, it's time for audio. Import the iconic Marvel intro music and sound effects. Carefully synchronize the sound effects, like whooshes and impacts, with your visual transitions and text reveals. Adjust the volume levels to ensure the music builds dramatically and the sound effects punch through. Once everything is perfectly timed, export your video in high definition, typically 1080 pixels, for a crisp, professional final product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.